BorderConnect has been a game changer for thousands of cross-border highway carriers throughout North America. And in this video, we're counting down the top 5 game-changing features as selected by our customers and our support team of BorderConnect that'll save you time, cut down on paperwork, and keep you compliant, so you can focus on what you do best. And trust me, these tools aren't just useful, they're a must-have for anyone serious about staying ahead in the world of cross-border trade. Number 5, EManifest Tracking. The EManifest Tracking feature ensures you never miss a customs update by sending real-time email and on-screen notifications. Instead of repeatedly checking your EManifest, you can focus on other tasks and get notified the moment there's a response. Tracking an EManifest is quick and easy. Just head to the ACE or ACI EManifest details page, then hover over the Track button and you'll have 2 options: Track EManifest or Track EManifest with a note. Adding a note can be helpful if you need a reminder on why you're tracking it. Once tracked, a handy link will appear under the main menu, giving you instant access to the manifest, even if you're working on something else. If you add a note, just hover over the link to see it. Once you start tracking a manifest, you'll receive an email notification for every customs response sent to the email in your user account. You can also spot new responses by checking the shortcut link at the top of the page under Recent and Tracked, letting you know when there's an update for any manifest you're tracking. Plus, on the ACE or ACI EManifest details page, you'll see a list of everyone tracking the manifest located at the bottom of the page. Number 4, ACE and ACI EManifest lead sheet generating. When entering Canada, drivers must present an ACI lead sheet. While carriers can create their own, BorderConnect offers 2 handy features to automatically generate them for you. The easiest way to get an ACI lead sheet is by clicking the Print button on the ACI EManifest details page, where you'll get a PDF in either a standard or detailed driver's copy, and both work as a lead sheet, so it's all about your preference. Sending lead sheets directly to drivers can be tricky, especially if they're already on the road, causing delays and extra costs. A simple solution? Generate ACI lead sheets in advance, just like PARS barcodes. That way, drivers have the lead sheet ready, even while the manifest is still being prepared. To start, select ACE and ACI cover sheets from the account menu. In the ACI cover sheet page, just enter the carrier code and a trip number range. An example could be 0001 to 0050 for 50 lead sheets. After entering the details for your lead sheets, simply click Save to store them in the system, or hit Save View PDF to instantly generate and print the PDF for your drivers. It's that simple. Number 3, sending status queries for PARS or transaction numbers. While BorderConnect automatically updates you on your shipments, sometimes it's useful to manually check for a shipment status with CBSA. This is helpful when hauling freight under another carrier's PARS number, confirming if a PARS was canceled or properly removed from the system, or verifying a PARS status if you suspect an issue like a keying error or a missed message due to CBSA downtime. To start, select Send New Status Query from the PARS Shipments menu. Enter the full cargo control number exactly as it appears on the PARS sticker, then click Send Status Query Request to CBSA to get the shipment status. After sending your status query, it'll appear in the first result showing Status Query Request Transmitted with no response. CBSA typically takes about 5 minutes to respond, so feel free to step away and check back later. You can easily return at any time by selecting Status Query Search under the PARS Shipments menu. After 5 minutes, revisit the search page to view CBSA's response. They'll confirm if the status is not on file, accepted, or released. Accepted or released shipments will also appear under the newest shipments or released shipments on the PARS search page. And if you use BorderConnect ACI eManifest, they'll sync automatically with your manifest. If the response is not on file and the shipment was previously accepted, it'll be marked as purged. Number 2, file importing. The BorderConnect File Import Wizard lets you quickly import company data for shippers, consignees, vehicles, drivers, and more directly into BorderConnect for use on ACE and ACI eManifests. All registered BorderConnect users can access the File Import Wizard, and they can find it under the Manage Data menu or by selecting the Import Wizard from the Import dropdown on pages like the Search ACE ACI Shipments, Shipper, Consignee, Drivers, Passengers, Trucks, and Trailers pages. The Import Wizard supports many common file types when importing data, and here are a list of supported file types: CSV, XLSX, XLS, XML, and numbers files. To begin, select the type of data you're importing. Then, either click Upload a file or simply drag your file into the upload box. After uploading your file, you can map the file headers to match BorderConnect's data fields. The incoming data column shows your file's headers, while destination data shows where they'll go. The example column helps verify that everything is matched correctly. On the Validate page, review your imported data, check for formatting issues, and make any other adjustments. You can add or remove rows, columns, or correct data directly in the table. It's a handy step for fine-tuning your data before finalizing the import. After importing files into BorderConnect, you can easily review them by visiting Search Imported Files under the Manage Data menu. Use the search options to filter by import reference ID, schema type, or date range. You'll also see a list of recent imports, and by clicking on a file or the View tooltip, you'll access the Imported Files Details page. There, you can review, edit, or delete specific data as needed using the tooltip options. Number 1. EManifest Sync. The EManifest Sync feature simplifies customs messaging in BorderConnect. Now, instead of manually selecting messages when making changes to an EManifest, users can simply update the details, like a truck, driver, or shipments, and then click Sync with CBSA or Sync with CBP at the top of the EManifest Details page. Syncing an EManifest is super simple. Once your ACE or ACI is ready, just click Sync with CBP or Sync with CBSA at the top of the EManifest Details page. After transmission, the status will show 2 yellow bars transmitted, and you'll see the details about the sync progress, including the estimated time remaining. Once your EManifest is accepted, the status will change to 3 blue bars on file, and a check mark will confirm it's synced with CBP or synced with CBSA. When you make changes to an EManifest already on file, the Sync with CBP or Sync with CBSA button will reappear with a message showing the required sync and a list of changes. After confirming, click the button to update it with customs, and the sync progress will be displayed at the top of the EManifest Details page while the sync does all the work for you. And there you have it, the top 5 features of BorderConnect that'll make your cross-border logistics simpler, faster, and more efficient. Whether it's syncing your EManifest, generating EManifest lead sheets, or tracking shipments, BorderConnect is built to save you time and keep you compliant. Ready to take your cross-border operations to the next level? If you're not already signed up, you can sign up for a free trial today and see how BorderConnect can transform the way you do business. So visit BorderConnect.com or contact our team to get started. Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, check out these videos here or subscribe below. If you're not already signed up to BorderConnect, you can sign up today for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.